In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to order from Target without a credit card. Let's get started. First, launch your Target app or navigate to the official website of Target, provide your credentials and log in. After you log in, browse through the homepage and select the items that you want to purchase, add those to the cart, then navigate to the carts page. Here you're going to find all the items that you have added for purchase. Now proceed to checkout, so click on this option of checkout. Once you're in this page, here you're going to find the section of payment. Click on add. You will see the payment methods available for your order. If you don't have a credit card, you can choose another accepted payment method such as debit card, Target gift card, PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or another digital wallet depending on your order and location. If you're using a PayPal or digital wallet, simply select it as your payment method and follow the on-screen instructions to authorize your payment. If you are paying with a Target gift card, enter the gift card number and access number or PIN, then apply the balance to your order. Before placing your order, review your shipping information, payment details, and order summary. Once everything looks correct, click or tap Place Order to complete your purchase. And that's it. This way you can easily order from Target without a credit card. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.